Alright guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we're gonna be working on this 2005 Toyota Camry, and we're gonna be installing a car auxiliary adapter. This is gonna get connected to the back of the radio, and it comes with an auxiliary cable, so you can connect any device that you might want. Here's an iPod from the early 2000s. There you go. You can hook it up there, and you can listen music to the radio. This old type of radios that cars came out without an auxiliary port. See that? All right, so we're gonna begin by removing this panel right here. Here's my plastic tool remover. So let's see. Cross your fingers, guys, that I don't break anything. Oh. There you go. So slowly, being careful not to break any clip. Notice that this side came out already. All right, here's the first piece off. And next we're gonna be removing a pair of bolts. There's one over here, and the other one is missing. And I believe there's one back there. Okay, so next I grab my extension bar with a 10mm deep socket and my mini ratchet. Okay, so let's go ahead and loosen this bolt off, being careful not to drop the bolt, but just in case you drop it again, you can always use a magnet tool, a pickup tool. So here's the bolt. Let's see, is this thing loose? No. So let's lose the ones all the way back there, so this whole piece can come off. Okay, let me have my magnet pickup tool just in case. Here it comes. Oh, let's remove this one. All right, guys. So I removed the other bolt. So this whole piece is loose. So let's see. Let's take a look behind the radio where this harness is going to connect to. Well, let's take a look. The radio has an extra port over here, which is for a CD changer or something, or extra adapter that you guys want to hook up to, where this connector is going to go to. So let's try it. There you go. Now it's hooked up. It's connected to, and it's now ready to be tested. So we're going to put it right here. All right, guys, so let's try to put this in there and give it a quick test. I'm not gonna put it back all the way in there because first I have to, hide this back there and bring this out somehow. But for now, let's just leave it like this, and let's test the radio by using my iPod Classic. Look at that, guys. Learn how to take care of your stuff. Look at that. All right, so first let's turn on the radio. Let's put the ignition key to the accessories, or yes, accessories. The radio came on. Let's hit this button right here, disc. We have option. We have something there. Let's hook up the auxiliary cable to the auxiliary port, and let's test it out. Let's give it a volume. And do we hear sound? Do we hear sound? 1, 2. Yes, notice that. We hear sound. And this is one way to hear your music. Let's test my iPhone 5. Okay. And whoa. Yes. Yeah. There it is. So now let's go ahead and put everything back together. Hopefully you guys like this, now let me hide this back there, and in case this cable not long enough for you guys, like I mentioned on my other video on my 2008 Toyota Matrix, hook this up here to the adapter that I bought from the 99-cent store. I also bought this cable from the 99-cent store, and give yourself some more cable that you can bring out, share it with your passengers. It's up to you, however you guys want to use this auxiliary adapter. All right, so let me go ahead and let me make a quick break. Let me put this back in there, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, so I was able to hide the little the module behind the radio, and I brought this cable from down there. Hopefully you guys are able to see it. See that? That way I can hook up, I can put my phone there at the iPhone holder or cell phone holder and connect it there. Now let's put everything back together. All right. All right, let's see, we can do this, guys, we can do this. There you go. It goes in by an angle. Let's, hopefully you can hear a snap. All right, guys, so the piece is in. Let's put this bolt here. Started by hand. Okay, let's put the other one back there. See, guys, it's all the way back there. Try to aim it, and in it goes. All right, let's put this one. Since one was missing, I'm gonna put this one all the way in the back. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's tighten it up just a little bit. Not too tight. And this one. So this whole piece won't be vibrating while on the road. Finally, we put this piece back in. Oh, just to mention, since I only got 3 bolts in there when I was taking them off, so I just decided to put those 3 bolts until I find the other one. But 3 is all right for now. It's okay. Last piece. Make sure it snaps in. There you go. Okay. And time to test our devices once again. Turn the ignition key on to the accessories position. Go ahead and grab your cable. Maybe you want to put some, I don't know, 3M tape here so it won't be on the floor. Hook it up, and let's see. Press play. Do we hear music? Do we hear music? Yes, we do. All right, guys, and this is how you hook up an auxiliary port to your old 2005 Camry stereo. I don't know why Toyota never put an auxiliary port here, at least, you know. But make sure you guys like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video, and give me a couple of comments if you guys don't mind. See you next time.